So my name is Francis West. I'm the CEO of Security Everywhere, and I've been coming to the networking events of ThisWeekinFM for the last 3-4 years, and I absolutely love it. The people that we meet are people that are serious about talking about their business to other people in the room. And the best part was, I can never forget this, but my first event I came at 4, and I think I left at 11 p.m. But I've made some amazing friends. I've picked up some great clients, and if you have any interest in the FM space, you should be here.
My name is Claire Gilbanks. My company is Unlimited Connections Limited, and I'm known as a professional connector, working in the industry to put businesses together, form strategic alliances and build relationships. So I'm sponsoring TWinFM tonight to do just that, and it's been great to have these conversations in the room. Thank you very much.
My name's Stephen Peel. I'm the Group Managing Director for Your Power. We have been involved in ThisWeekinFM's networking events, I'm going to say 10 years. Yeah, and the reason for that is that it's good for business, it's good for relationships, and you get to meet the right people. There's senior people, senior decision makers that can really open up doors, and it's one of the best networking events you can come to in London.
Hi, I'm Richard Felton from Kindred FM. We're really happy to be sponsors of ThisWeekinFM for the networking event today. The reason we look to sponsor and partner with ThisWeekinFM is really we're looking to build some partnerships within the industry so that we can expand our reach, and we could think of nowhere better. This is like the premier event, it's the premier business that just connects people up. Over 100 people here tonight. There's just too many people really to try and speak to. So for us, fantastic response, great bang for our buck.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm Operations Director for Specialist Window Cleaning. Specialist Window Cleaning is one of the largest window cleaning and specialist cleaning companies in the UK. We work with various clients, which are managing agents, corporate clients, retail clients, across all parts of the UK. We're here sponsoring the event tonight for ThisWeekinFM. It's a great place to meet other people in the same industry that we work in and hopefully make some connections.
Hi, so I'm Chris Kirby from Toomey Leasing Group. I've been an account manager with Toomey's for 10 years now. We've had a strong relationship with TWinFM for a good 6 or 7 years. We always look forward to supporting this event. We've met some amazing people which have become customers over the years, and we're very keen on referring our customers on to people we meet from the TWinFM group, which I think is a key part of networking. Today I've met some fantastic people that I've known for many, many years through our journey, and they all have the same core ethos in coming back to TWinFM. And I think Lawrence has really kind of set the stall out for this. He's very welcoming to people coming into the business.